All right, let's look at some examples of Band 9 conclusions next. Our first example, read the prompt with me. Actually, we've seen this prompt before, but we added something at the end. It says, discuss both sides and give your opinion. This is about narrow range or wide range of subjects for students. Let's read this conclusion. To conclude, there are arguments for both sides of this debate, but I believe a wide range of skills is necessary for children in our society. With these skills, children will be able to expand their horizons and succeed in whatever they strive to do. Let's break it up. We start with our transition phrase. Then we have our summary here, right? So we've got, again, discuss both sides and give your opinion. So this summary covers all of the things in the prompt. And then we close with not a suggestion, but with a prediction. With these skills, children will be able to expand their horizons. We switch to that future tense. It gives the essay a feeling of closure, okay? That the essay is finished now. That future tense is really useful for that. It really separates a good conclusion from a really natural, excellent conclusion. The next one, read the prompt with me. Overpopulation in many major urban centers around the world is a major problem. What are the causes of overpopulation? How can this problem be solved? Let's break up our conclusion into the three parts. In conclusion, our transition phrase. And now our summary. Education and employment are the two main issues driving overpopulation, and the most effective solutions should be aimed at these issues as well. Okay, we saw that before, right? This is our cause and solution summary here. And remember, this summary matches the body paragraphs of the essay. The first paragraph being about the causes, and the second about the solutions. Now, what's a good way to close this? The final sentence. If the government takes the steps recommended above, big cities will have better conditions and will be more comfortable for citizens to live in. Okay, again, using that future tense, will have. We have a kind of prediction here that really gives a sense of closure to the essay. It's not too specific. It's quite general. But it's the future tense, will have, will be. That's what gives it the sense of closure. Next, the rise of convenience stores has helped people keep up with the speed of the modern lifestyle. What are the advantages of this trend? Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Okay, we have advantages, disadvantages with opinion here, right? So, in conclusion, convenience stores may cause some minor problems, but in general, they are good for people. I kept the summary very simple here, right? But it's covering the disadvantages and the advantages, and it states my opinion clearly. They are good for people. And then finally, I predict that in years to come, convenience stores will benefit us in many more ways. Again, we have a prediction that uses future tense, will benefit, so that we feel that the essay has come to a close. That will benefit, that is the key. All right, and of course this course offers plenty more examples of good Band 9 essays, so check those out for other conclusion examples as well. All right, guys, well, that's the end of this lesson. I hope that you have a good sense of what the conclusion must do and how you can do it easily and simply. Of course, each conclusion is a bit different. It all depends on the question type that you get, but this strategy gives you enough flexibility so that you can follow this kind of three-step process and write a great conclusion, a Band 9 conclusion, for any essay prompt that you get. All right. Well, our next lesson will be moving on to task 1. So strap in and get ready. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.